I'm going to show you exactly how you can get accounting clients for over 100 leads for less than 50 cents. I'm going to show you it right now. Who am I? I'm Ronald Osborne, the founder of Osborne Digital Marketing, an award-winning international marketing agency. That's who I am, so I'm qualified to answer this question. Now, if you look behind me, let's jump straight into it. This is the sheet that you're going to use to help you generate clients for your accounting business. And yes, it's free. The way that this thing works is it uses an API call. So it's Google Sheets and then it uses an API call. Very simple. Don't sit there and think, I'm not technical, I don't know. Mate, it's going to be easy. Don't worry. You come down to the setup tab down the bottom there, okay, once you get this, and you get this by going on my website, either clicking here, Osborne Digital Marketing, or you'll click in the link down below. Now, you're going to get all of these free checklists if you do that. You get all of this for completely free. So if maybe you're learning about search engine optimization, or you want to do more, or you're actually quite savvy, then you can use all the sheets as well. But this is the one you're looking for today. So you'll get this and it's going to open up this for you. You'll then go over to the link that I've placed, which is the Data for SEO API. You'll click on that. It's going to help you set up an account. You get $1 for free, which means that you're going to get hundreds of leads for your accounting business that you get to reach out to for completely free. No other way can you do that. You might have to pay to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You'll have to pay for Google Ads. You'll have to pay for something else. Why pay? This is the cheapest way. So you'll do that. Once it's set up, super easy, okay? The beautiful thing about this is if you're an accountant that doesn't like working with dentists and you only want to work with roofers, this is the beauty of this sheet. So look at this. There's 249 different industries. This works worldwide. So if you're an accountant in Australia, if you're an accountant in America, if you're an accountant in Canada, Ireland, wherever it may be, very, very simple. So you get to go in here. Let's just say you want to work only with dentists. You're an accountant that is familiar with the dentist industry. That's who you want to work with. You set that up. You put in the geographical location and the state. Okay, then you come down here and you'll enter this information is how big do you want the list to be. Now, I would say 250 is the maximum for each one of these, okay? Make sure this is all yes. Once that's done, you come up to the top where it says the client finder up here, all right? Click on this and go find clients. Click this button right here. Now, you've obviously input your API information. You've done that. It's copy your email, copy the API. It's super simple. Don't worry. If you get stuck, I've got videos on it on the Osborne Digital Marketing channel. This will normally take about 30 seconds. It's going to scrape the information and give you a nice lead list. So you get to sit there and look specifically at dental clients. Now, again, if you're an accountant that's just starting out their own firm, this is the best thing for you. So you can see that we found 70 leads. It cost us 38 cents. It actually would have cost around about 12 cents. This is an estimate that we've built in for you. And now you get to have all of this information right here. So these are literally all of the individuals. Remember, we only scraped 50 of the top maps, and same with the organics as well. So obviously this could be hundreds. But this is the best way that you can generate leads for your accounting business. It is the cheapest way. You won't find another method that's cheaper than this. If you were to run LinkedIn ads for your accounting business, the cost per lead is $50 to $150. That's ridiculous. Where if you were to sit down for 30 minutes and cold call or email these individuals, I guarantee you're going to have better results. 30 minutes a day. Even I cold call. I don't do it as often as I like because I get to have my thumb on the pulse of what's going on out in the industry, out in the business world. But the thing is, cold calling is kind of fun to me. I like sales, so I do miss those days. But this is something that you get to do for the cheap. For the cheap. There's no cheaper method than this. So this is a fantastic way to do it. And then here's their website as well. So maybe you're not comfortable with cold calling. Send them a contact form. Go onto their website and send them a contact form. Look for their website. I guarantee you, most likely they're going to have an email. So if we go contact, we're here 24/7. Here's their contact form. Send them a contact form. Here's their email right here. So if you are an accountant and you're trying to generate leads for your business, you can say, hey, I'm based in Fort Lauderdale. I'm an accountant. This is what I have to offer. Here you go. That is the best way that you can generate leads. Now, you know about Facebook, you know about socials, and if you want to talk to someone about them more, there'll be a link down below. I offer a free 15-minute discovery call. So if you are actually looking at doing lead gen for your own business, then reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you with things like SEO or even running paid ads to help get your accounting firm off the ground. But if you're a newbie, if you don't have $2,000 to spend a month, do this. This is going to be the cheapest thing. You can hire someone for $500 a month to make cold calls. You don't need to do it. And then you just give them this list and it's cost you a couple of bucks. Maximum output is going to be like $600 a month. That's the best way of doing it. Again, if you want to generate leads for your accounting business, I'm the guy to work with. I've worked with heaps of accountants and bookkeepers, attorneys, small business owners around the world. I've built my own multi-million-dollar businesses, so I love helping people achieve that or achieve their version of success. Click on the link in my website, book a free discovery call, or if you just want to ask me a question directly, you can do that by simply coming up my Facebook group right here. This is free. I normally charge $150 an hour to have a chat. But if you don't want to chat with me for an hour, you don't want to book the 15-minute discovery call, click on this, join my Facebook group, and you can ask me questions directly in there. I always answer the questions asked in there.